In this part of video tutorial, we will show you on how to add a plugin to WordPress. If you have installed WordPress, then it will give you basic functionality. If you want to add more functionality to it, then you are supposed to add plugins to it. Plugins to the WordPress can be added in two ways. The first one is by searching the plugin and adding the plugin. Second is by uploading the plugin and then adding the plugin. We will see both the methods. First, we are going to see on how to search the plugin and then add the plugin. Right now we are into the WordPress dashboard. For adding the plugin, you are supposed to go to plugins and then go to add new. This will show you a page, add plugins. In this page, there's a text box, search plugins. So whatever plugin you want to add, you are supposed to add that same keyword here. So let us say you want to add the plugin for search engine optimization. You have typed SEO. As you type SEO, this will show you certain results. These are the results for SEO. Now suppose you want to add this plugin all-in-one SEO pack. If you want to install this plugin, then there's a button install now. Click on this button install now. This will show you that this plugin is being installed. It will take some time. Now it has been installed. Once you have installed the plugin, you are supposed to activate that plugin. To activate the plugin, click on activate. Now that plugin has been installed and has been activated. Now if in case you want to do settings, your custom settings to that plugin, then you can go to SEO settings. This will open the settings page. Here whatever changes or whatever custom settings you want to make, you can make it here. So it was the first method on how to add plugins to WordPress, that is by searching and then by adding this. Now we will see on how to remove the plugins. In order to remove the plugins, you are supposed to go to plugins and then click on install plugins. This will show you a listing of plugins that have been installed into your WordPress installation. Suppose you want to remove this plugin all-in-one SEO pack. First, you are supposed to deactivate it. Click on deactivate. This plugin has been deactivated. Now click on delete button. This will show you a warning. Are you sure you want to delete? Then click on OK. So now a message has come. All-in-one SEO pack has been successfully deleted. This is how you are supposed to remove the plugins from your WordPress installation. Now we will see on how to add plugins to the WordPress installation using the second method. In second method, you are supposed to download the plugin first, then upload that plugin .zip file into the WordPress installation and then install it from there. So for that, let us go to search engine Google, type the keyword plugin name that you want and then open the site. It is a WordPress.org. Then download the plugin. Plugin has been downloaded. Now you are supposed to go to WordPress. Right now we are into the plugin section. Then click on add new. Click on upload plugin. Click on choose file. Then choose the file that you have downloaded. Then click on open and then click on install now. The plugin is being installed right now. Now unpacking the package, installing the plugin, and plugin installed successfully. Then you are supposed to activate that plugin. Click on activate plugin. Now as you can see, we have just downloaded the plugin, uploaded the plugin to the WordPress, and then we have installed it and then activated it. This is how you can add plugins to your WordPress installation using the second method. So that is all we want to see in this video. In the next video, we will see on how to add themes to WordPress installation. Thank you for watching.